Alright guys, welcome to today's video. This is going to be an unboxing and initial impressions video for my new brake rotors. They're straight from Japan, Dixcel brake rotors, as you can see here. So here we are. Like I said, they are made in Japan. They are type FS. I'll try to insert a screenshot of the different types of rotors they have. Dixcel makes, I want to say 5 or 6 different levels of rotors, both plain and slotted. So this is the type FS. It comes in a pair of 2 rotors, and these are for the fronts. I believe this is, I want to say, the second to the highest that they offer for the NSX. That's a good look at them. Here's a diagram for the 6-slot version versus the 12-slot version and the direction of rotation. So of course I put my little translator on this. It's just again showing you the rotation. This is telling you it's on the right hand side of the vehicle, which way it rotates. And this is nothing you need to really pay attention to. It's just how they say it needs to be stacked in the box to avoid damage. So this piece is the cardboard right here, and you need to stack them with the 2 hats touching each other. Here's a shot of the various rotor types that they offer, from SD to all the way up to HS. So again, the model that I got are FS. They are heat-treated high carbon slotted disc rotor. And the reason the reason why I ended up with ordering rotors all the way from Japan is that rotors are kind of hard to get right now for a reasonable price. I usually order Stop Tech rotors, but it turns out that the only slotted rotors that they have available for the 97 up front side rotor size is the cryo-treated rotors, which they're charging about, I forget, $700–800 for a pair, according to TireRack.com. And so I got these for less than $500 for the pair. And I wanted to get a high quality rotor. You know, there's all these other, you know, lower no-name brand, not necessarily no-name brand, but rotors that you guys see coming up on eBay from China, Taiwan, and whatnot. And I just wanted something that a high quality made in Japan rotor that I didn't have to have any worry about. And so I've always wanted to try this brand. And you know, there's nothing much to say about how it looks. It looks great. It looks like a rotor, but yeah, excited to throw these on. All right guys, here's the finished product. Sorry, I forgot to take video while the wheel's off, but everything went on perfectly. No issues whatsoever, just as you'd expect. Just need to go take this down the street now and get some pad material on the rotors. That'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching.